Hey folks, this equipment Autopsy is the HeathKit Capacitor Checker model IT-11. I don't know too much about it, and I won't be able to show you its operation. I haven't replaced any of the caps in it or anything yet, so it has not been restored. But it's in good shape. The front's clean. This switch here is missing the plastic piece on it, but that's no big deal. It still works. Just like that one there. So we got test leads, external gen, external STD. Not too much on it. I get the screws out. I'll open it up and show you guys what it looks on the inside. Okay, so this has got 3 tubes in it. We've got this fella here, which is a what? There we go. It's a 6AX4 GTB. And this little fella here is a 6BN8. And this one here, which is known as the I, I'm not sure what it is. Should be something on it somewhere. I've got some others that are like it. I think I could be wrong, but it might be a 6C5, or sorry, it's probably a 6E5. And I'll show you why they call it the I when I turn it on. But see, you got some original paper caps here. Guarantee you they'll be leaking and gone bad. A couple more there that'll need to be replaced. So again, not overly complicated considering what we see in today's circuitry. This all just no PCBs in this or anything like that. Got your discharge leakage and bridge switch there. Your voltage indicator switch. So I'll plug it in and I'll turn it on. You see the tubes lighting up. But this one here, and there it is. That's the I. So from what I've seen, is this I. I'll see if I can make it there. So the I right now is actually open. And when you're testing a capacitor for like a leakage test or something, and you pick the voltage, so say it's like a 200 volt cap, and it's got a very low UF, maybe 0.01 or something like that. You select the type, so maybe a paper, mica, or electrolytic. You select the leakage, and it will apply through the test leads down here. It'll apply the voltage you select through it, and if the cap is leaking, the I will fill. Now I can kind of simulate what it would look like. It would look like that there. It's not easy to see on the camera. So that's open. There's a partial close there. So it's neat for its time. The old technology is really cool. But so yeah, that's the HeathKit Capacitor Checker IT-11. They're still glowing. So yeah, thanks for watching.